And on your election headquarters, Ghana is losing the fight to keep COVID-19 under control, despite being praised by the WHO and other international bodies at the start of the outbreak. This morning, public health experts say the country's approach appears to have failed. Latest figures by the Ghana Health Service is the fourth consecutive data released, where Ghana has recorded more COVID-19 cases than Germany, Norway, Sweden, and Denmark combined. So is Ghana in the crisis mode yet? Head of our health desk, who's himself battling COVID-19, has been finding some answers.
To bring back our economy back to life. What we do not know is how to bring people back to life.
That was President Akufo-Addo's speech as he announced lockdowns in Accra, Kumasi and contiguous cities at the end of March. That action caught the attention of the international community with praise from the WHO, the World Bank and in fact the United Nations. Ghana at this time had just 58 cases of COVID-19 and 3 deaths, all of them Ghanaians who had returned into the country from abroad. But just 4 months down the line, the case is completely different. The restrictions have been significantly relaxed, whilst those still in force, such as the wearing of face masks, social distancing, and hygiene practices, are all being disregarded. Today, cases are almost hitting 23,000 with 129 deaths. But experts say this situation could worsen as hundreds of health workers are also affected, reducing the country's capacity to deal with the virus. At the moment, treatment facilities are stretched beyond capacity and the impact has been direct on the country. The president himself is in isolation, the Chief Justice, the senior minister and many others, including health professionals, have had to stay away from work. 2 key government appointees have even died. Now the situation is getting to state institutions. Power producer VRA's facilities at Akuse and Akonsombo have also been affected. The Supreme Court has had to shut down, whilst the BOST, which oversees the distribution of fuel across the country, has also been affected. Yesterday, the Ghana Education Service confirmed that as many as 13 senior high school students have tested positive just 2 weeks after schools were reopened. And if there are 2 activities driving up the cases, it will be the ongoing political activity and voter registration exercise. Kwata by June, it was a joke, but July has been worse. Are we in the crisis situation yet?